Read the following into the camera. Read the following into the camera out loud. I have been in Cape Town for too long. I have? Oh crap, I have, guys. Sorry for the break turning into a sabbatical and no new content coming your way for some time. But don't despair, if Tech TV is back with some awesome new content and some great new people helping to bring you the news and reviews that you so desperately want. Yes, I know that. So, I guess all that remains is the small print, which is take the next flight back to Gauteng and press the big red button at the side of the camera. I don't know what that does.
Wild.